Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is October the 3rd, 2013, and here's today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. Want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading for the session so far. The Dow's currently down to 180 points. The Nasdaq's down 58.5 points. The S&P 500's down 21.5 points. Taking a look at the commodities, pretty much mixed across the board. Copper's down a little bit, JJC down 57 cents, silver's flat, up 6 cents. GDX gold miners flat, down 6 cents. GLD gold up 24 cents, pretty much flat. USO crude oil flat, pretty much down 16 cents. Taking a look at the top sectors in the market today, our ETFs changed from open. We have the VXX, that is, ETFs here. It's up percent from open wise here, folks. We have the VXX up 5.25%. TZA FAZ up over 3% from the opening price. So those financials are weak, and the Russell 2000 is weak there. Some weak sectors in the market today. Biotechs, again, biotechs and financials, XLI, industrials, XLK, everything's getting hit across the board. It's pretty much blood in the bath. There's pretty much blood in the streets today on Wall Street, folks. So let's take a look to see what happened in the markets today. Starting off, first of all, they started selling the market right after the cash closed, as they had one of the head guys on TV talking about the government shutdown situation, and that started selling the market off after hours around 5 o'clock yesterday after we closed. Then we rallied up overnight, formed this nice little ascending bear channel. All right, and right when we opened up here near the open, we were right at the top of the channel. They spiked us up into that level. They got rejected, and we've been selling off ever since then. The short sell signal came in once we broke this key trend line right here, which also lined up with the opening price of yesterday, which is this blue dotted line right here. And another note is that we're trading below Monday's opening price, which was 1670. So therefore, once we broke below 1670, you can see we started getting some real sell side action, as now the weekly charts have turned red. But on the 15-minute chart, again, nice little downward pressure, just hardcore selling, and now the market's chopping up around a bit here, and we're actually spiking up right now. Again, if we do get a retracement back up, look for them to try to retrace it into this little bear flag that we had right here. All right, that would be 1671. Okay, from that consolidation, which actually, let me go ahead and mark that in here real quick. Again, market's spiking up right now. I'm not sure if any news came out. We're getting some high tick readings right now. Bill, we're getting some high tick readings. I'm not sure if any news came out. Oh, they said something about there's talking about it on the trade the news right now. So we're getting a bounce right now. Nothing too crazy. All right, so pretty much we had this little bear flag action right here, guys, and that broke us down. So keep an eye on the 1671 half level for a retest of the breakdown. All right, if we break back above that, look for 1674. We break back above 1674, look for this 1676 level, which is a key level that we bear flagged into earlier before we broke down, which is this is where we call the short action, because my software had messed up, so I wasn't able to do nothing right here. But in any case, again, markets broke down today. Little double bottom down here around 1664. That's going to be the reference level to watch in the morning. We break below 1664. Look for 1661, 1660. And if we have some lower levels below that, which I don't think we're going to hit, but look for 1655. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ETFs here. I know some of you guys watch the ETFs to trade the market. ETF SPY. I've been showing you guys this little yellow band, which is important because it comes from some price action that we had 2 weeks ago. Go back to a real quick here. Sorry about that. Let's go back to a 20-day, 15-minute chart, and you can see this consolidation that happened right here before the market was marked up. Right here, that price action, that little zone has become relevant. You can see how it was relevant on Monday, Tuesday above it, they were bullish. Yesterday above it, they were bullish. Back below that level, they're bearish. So that's the key inflection point that we're using. And again, the SPY on the lows. Some lower levels to watch in the SPY would be around this 116, 60. I'm sorry, 166 half area. All right, Nasdaq again was the strongest index. Got smashed down today, and right now it's trying to hold some support around the 78.30 area. So Russell 2000, same thing, got marked down. Russell 2000 still showing some strength because we're still above Monday's opening price. So that one still has a nice green candle. The Nasdaq is still holding above Monday's opening price, except for the S&P 500. I think the Dow Jones. Yeah, now the market's getting bought up. As far as some equity trades goes, let's take a look here. I know we had some guys in the room trading Tesla. Strong stock, of course, it's been acting a little bit weak here as of late, especially yesterday since they had that one video that came out with the car on fire. Anyway, Tesla gapped down, rallied up, got rejected at the moving averages here, filled some of the gap, and then rolled over. Stock, taking a look at the hourly chart, the stock has come all the way from 194 to 168. Could have some bottom pickers try to come in this name here. Netflix, another momentum name, sold off. I mean, pretty much a lot of things sold off today, guys. I don't really see anything showing much relative strength. I mean, Sohu was actually positive from the opening price. This has been a strong stock. So you can keep an eye on this name right here, getting a pop-up trading in the range. I'm not sure if that's going to do much today. And yeah, guys, everything's looking weak across the board. So we'll see how everything shapes up in the afternoon. Hope you guys had a great day. As far as the market goes, we've been calling the ES pretty accurately. If you want to come in our chat room, check it out. You can contact me at ccooper at wallstreettrading.com. Have a great day. Make sure you check out the website and share our videos. A lot of great analysis for you guys out there. Cheers.